Hey guys, Robert Field and Bailey Munson here from Lightning Kayaks, and today we're going to show you how to replace these scupper reinforcements in the rear scuppers of your Lightning Strike. Now what these are there for is basically if you want to use a scupper cart, these scuppers are kind of the weak point, or typically the first point of failure on any sit-on-top fishing kayak. It's tough to mold that. So if you've got a cart up in there and you're going over a rocky road or whatever, it's banging into that. It's putting a lot of stress on these scuppers. So the boat comes with reinforcements in these rear scuppers to help protect those scuppers from your cart. If they do fall out, Bailey here is going to show you how to glue them back in, how to get them back in. It is a little bit of a process, but we're going to walk you right through it. So pretty simple list of materials that we're going to need. Just a piece of cardboard to keep some drips off of you. Obviously you need 2 of the replacements reinforcements, a rubber mallet, and the adhesive that we're using is Loctite HY4090. There's probably other stuff that will work, but that's what we use.
So you're going to start by just opening the glue. It's 2 parts, so you want about 50-50 of each. Mix it together. Then you're going to just evenly spread it across the scupper like you would any glue. It kind of works well to roll it in the glue a little bit. You want good coverage on the whole thing. And then the important part is on the bottom of the scupper here, you have a thicker edge and a thinner edge. And you want the thicker edge pointing towards the front of the boat. So it goes in like this. Your rudder is over here and the front of the boat is over here. You can just drop it in. You can take the other scupper, give it at least 2 hours to dry, and it should be in there for quite a long time.
Alright guys, and that's all there is to it. So super simple. Just make sure you let this cure, let it dry for at least 2 hours. I mean, even better, just let it go overnight, and it should be in there for years to come. But that's all we've got for you on this one. We will catch you on the water.